Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu states that on the day of Khaybar, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Tomorrow I will hand this standard over to him, at whose hand Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will confer the victory." He loves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam love him. Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu said, "Then the companions radiyallahu anhum spent the night thinking whom the standard would be given to. In the morning, the companions radiyallahu anhum went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, aspiring that he may be granted with the standard. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Where is Ali bin Abi Talib?" The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has got sore eyes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for him. So Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu was summoned. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam applied his saliva to his eyes and made supplication for him. So his eyes got absolutely right as if they never had any ailment. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him the standard. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will keep on fighting against them until they become like us, embrace Islam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Set out when you dismount in their battlefield, invite them to Islam and notify them of the rights of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu calmly. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestows guidance on even a single person through your agency, it will be better for you than extremely costly red camels." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6173.